if you want to see me go from this to this using all of the products from this month's Ice Cream Beauty Box, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Bandit aren't with me this evening, but if you're new, thanks so much for stopping by. We hope you decide to stay, and if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So I have my Ice Cream Beauty Box in, and we are going to use the products in here to get a new look. So this is for the month of April, and the theme is Spring on the Horizon. And of course, the sneak peek tells you very little because there's so many little things in here. I'm going to go ahead and grab everything out. We're going to go over the prices and we're going to get to work. So Ice Cream Beauty is a monthly beauty box. You are getting almost 100% beauty. Every now and then there might be one skincare item in there, but for the most part, you're getting beauty. You're getting a lot of indie brands and some great products. So this month, the palette is by Ofra, and this is their Good to Go Mini Mix palette. There is how she looks. And in the center there, that is an absolutely gorgeous highlighter. It's one of my favorites. That is all of the lights. That palette is a $39 value. And Ofra is a cruelty-free company. Next, by Charmacy, we have a duochrome liquid eyeshadow in the shade OVIP 06. So I can't tell you what that is. This is a $12 value. It does say that this sets pretty quickly, so blend it quickly, put on a lot. If you try to blend it after it's set, you will get a very patchy look. And there it is blended out. Next, by Beauty for Certain, or BFC, we have a liquid lipstick in the shade 67. This is a $22 value. It does say to prep your lips with a balm to avoid dry lips. And this came in a variety of shades. Oh my. All right, there is the shade I got. That's a little darker than I might typically wear. All right, next by Chantico Beauty. This is a quad eyeshadow. They're both duochromes. This is a $20 value. One's a multi-chrome and one's a duochrome. And this is exclusive. So this you can only get currently through this box. And then next, you either would have gotten a magic marker eyeshadow or a lip gloss topper by Douce, which is a $23 value. So the eyeliner was a basic black eyeliner, and the gloss is a clear. The eyeliner container is thick to make it easier to apply. And it says the gloss provides a multi-dimensional topper. Now it does look completely clear. I don't know how that's going to give you a multi-dimensional look when it is completely clear. All right, but that's what they're saying. Doesn't have a fun scent like, usually lip glosses have like a fun scent. All right, I'm gonna put that back. Don't think I'm going to use this. I have lots and lots of glosses. This just isn't something that I can see myself really needing. Now, one of the things about these palettes here by Ofra is that they are refillable, so you can pop out one of the little things here and replace it if it gets low. This also is nice because you have an entire face. So you have your cheeks, your bronzer, and your highlighter all in one, which is super, super nice. And this part here is foamy, so they're really, really easy to get out. I don't know if you can see how I'm just like pushing it down, and you can see it'd be easy to pop that out. And then underneath it is magnetic. So we're going to start doing just a little bronzer. And I'm just going to tell you that using a blush today is really kind of useless because, as you can see, my rosacea is in full bloom because it's warm outside. But we're going to go into that blush right there. And we're going to do it anyway. And then we're going to take that highlighter. And next we're going to start on the eyes. And I like to use like a slanted brush to get the outer corner here. And I guess I'm going to start with this color on the outer. All of the colors are actually quite light. I tried to use the bronzer on my hand and it was almost non-existent. All right, so we have that outer done. Next, I'm going to come into the crease with this color right here. Then I'm going to take this shade right here, which is the most neutral in there, and just come over the rest of the lid. Then I'm going to use this on the inner corner and then this here in the center. Then I'm going to take that highlighter and do right up here. And then we're going to play a little bit with these colors. And I'm going to take this one here and come right in that outer part. Now it does come with this little foam sponge. So I'm taking that other color to go under the eye. And we're going to use this topper here, I think maybe right dab in the center. All right, now I have my eyeliner. This is by Blink. It's a liquid eyeliner pen. And one thing I will tell you about these liquid eyeliner pens is they do not like the duochromes, the shimmers, all that. Like you can't really get the color to stay. It separates. The brushes I think seem to work. The ones that are brushed, those work better for this. I'm gonna go see if I can find something that will do a little better. All right, so I did just grab like a regular eye pencil like this. That did work better with the shades that I had on. They are harder with older eyes though because they tug, unless it's like super silky. I had to go through 3 before I found one that was silky enough to work. All right, last step is the mascara for the eyes. And this is the KVD full sleeve. There's your wand. So there is one coat. All right, and there it is with the mascara. All right, so I grabbed this lip balm from Ever. And here goes nothing. It's actually better than I thought. I thought it was going to be like this very goth look, but it's not so bad. I'm going to throw a little Too Faced liquid lip injection extreme, and I just kind of lightly patted that on. I don't want to get too much of the transfer. All right, and there is my final look using the Ofra and the Chanteco palettes, the Charmacy topper, and the Lippy. The Ofra palette I was able to use all over the face. I was able to use it as a bronzer, as a blush, as a highlighter. I also used that highlighter right up here. And I think it's a nice combination. Everything did really work together. But let me know your thoughts. And please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully I'll see you soon.